Karbi Anglong Sports Association pen patir pi ponsi Ingdeng Krip ho Kasa Club Football Men Championship Surihini ra ingkora ke thom aparman Karlitang Kajok Ingtipi la pen Karlitang Monsing Tiso Chikimo Trophy Amen pen ke pathu gibi pon bangso ke pathu along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Amor Singh Tiso hin pensi dihin kerap pajerdun Pini semi-final match ke pathu pon Karbi Anglong Morning Stars FC la pen Chotolengri Angbongsi por phaisia por pen Kasa pathu aklamalong pathu ponlo ke pathu pon hot ke chengsi agol Chotolengri FC atum seyoto hin pen Karbi Anglong Morning Stars FC aphan goal thap thotlu Karbi Anglong Morning Stars FC atum sitami puthot ke pathu ka chiting pen chesong hanse pen goal isi pc chitu pondetlu puthot Babu Singh timong pen miniting ko troxy ke chokahut goal thapon thulo la pen Sinduleng Kongsai pen miniting ko sirkep la pen minute troxy ke bra phok ke chok la pen Cornelius Pudaite minute thongke bra trok ke chokahut Karbi Anglong Morning Stars FC atom Chotolengri FC aphan goal thapsi 5-1 goal pen chepa haidetlu Halapu Goroimari Stadium Langhina long sitami Polbi Ingdeng Krip ho Kasa Football Championship Men Surihini rain korage thoma pharman pathu paduponlu Ovechingthor FC Dongmukak defending champion atum pen Somdon Club Langhinang Bongsi pathu ponlu Ovechingthor FC atum ke thek munaga jok Kangbura rong hang pen Metinga Basumutari atum Kijura por malom golni thapsi 2-0 pen Somdon Club Langhina phan parem detsi 15th Kasa Football Championship Men Surihini rain korake thomalong final angdeng chepali dunlu Matijong ni phai pli Surihini rain korake thomani por phai hini apor pen Kasa pathu aklamalong si Ingdeng Krip ho Kasa Football Championship Men Surihini ra ingkorake thom final match Ovechingthor FC Dongmukak Angbong pen Karbi Anglong Morning Stars FC Diphotum pathu ponpu News Report Karbi Anglong Live